Hello and welcome back to the Road to Get Cooking. And today is Tuesday, January the 14th, the day before my dental appointment tomorrow at 8 a.m., which I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get there. So I popped on just for a quick second to let you guys know that I'm going to be missing in action again after tomorrow for a couple days. Yeah, I am so super ready to get this tooth filled. This is the one that they're going to do the build up on. This is one that's been giving me the biggest problems over the last couple of months. They're going to do the build up tomorrow, and then I have to go back in 2 weeks, and they're going to put the crown on there, and then I have to go back and get a crown on this one as well. So it's going to be a busy year getting my dental work done, and I'm okay with that. But I just want to let you guys know what's going to be happening with me for this week and probably the next couple of weeks. And my jaw hurts. It really hurts today. So I apologize in advance for being cranky.